Hi, my name is Paul and welcome to Building Blocks English. In this series of videos, we're going to test you on your knowledge of phrasal verbs. Do you remember those things? Like cut into it, cut it up, cut it out, and cut down on it. And similarly, we could say look into it, look it up, look out, and look down on him. This area of vocabulary is essential for any learner of English, as this language is used frequently in daily life. We could almost say that native speakers tend to use phrasal verbs more so than their non-phrasal verb synonyms. What would you say? I took off my shoes at the door, or I removed my shoes at the door. Of course, the real answer depends on context, and that's something for another lesson. But I would say take off more often than remove if I were to count. We suggest that you have a pen and paper ready so that you can write down your answers and then check it at the end of each quiz. Then, if you'd like to know more about the phrasal verbs in each quiz, you can follow the link in each video to a short lesson on what they mean and how to use them. We are planning to release this quiz once every 2 weeks, so we look forward to seeing you soon. Good luck and keep on going.